Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a fun project to share with you guys, and it's a flip book with two side pockets and a top pocket. It's another fun project for you to make if you want to make a quick flip book to send off as Happy Mail, or for a swap partner in a swap group, or just to send to a crafty friend. It's also a great kind of a book for a mini album or a journaling book as well. So the book measures 4 inches by 6 inches, and I'm also going to show you how to make one of these albums. And the good thing is you can add more and more pages to it if you wish. So this is the larger one. I did make a smaller one in an earlier video, also with a tutorial. So this is the smaller size, which is the same concept of how to make the larger one. So this is how it looks like. So you get, this one actually has the pockets just on the one side. So that's how that looks, and then you get your pockets on the top. And I will put the link down below for you if you wanted to have a look at how to make this smaller one. But with this one here, when you open it up, you will get two side pockets, and then these pockets are large enough for you to store your larger tags, envelopes, larger package goodies. I've just added some cutter parts from my 12 by 12 paper and a few other bits and pieces, and I've just held that together with one of my altered paper clips that I had made, just using the smaller size. And then I've just put that together, and I'm going to add that. This flip book will be going to one of my pen pals, and I won't mention her name in case she's watching. So that's one side, and this is the other pocket, and I've just put in there an embellished tag that I'd made. This is a jar shape a bottle, I guess you can call it that. I did a tutorial using my We Are Memory Keepers gift bag punch board to make this bottle shape, and I will put the link down below if you wanted to have a look on how I made that. So that went in that. So there are your two side pockets, and then up the top here you get a deep pocket on the top of your flip book, and I've just put in there an altered wood pick with some flag shaped that I use my envelope punch board to create that, and then I've just adhered that to the pick, and that was just another little fun little project to add into the flip book. And then I also added these packaged treat bags from one of my treat bag dies, and just some die cut shapes using my dies for that. And this is how the pocket looks like on the inside. So that's your pocket, and then you turn your page over, and then you just get two blank pages. And I've just embellished the one of the pages with one of my journaling cards, and then just layered it with some of my ephemeras. And the last page here, I put an envelope where I will put a note and some more goodies in there for her. And this envelope is a 3 by 4 inch envelope, again using the punch board and using a 6 by 6 paper, I think, to create this size. But the measurements are on your envelope punch board, so that left that blank. And this is a larger paper clip that was sent to me by one of my swap partners a while back. So I've just kept the envelope together with that. So I'm going to show you how you can make one of these. So I'll just put all that to the side. So what you'll need is, to make that, I just use one piece of 12 by 12 paper, and you can get two of these pieces. So what you need to cut two pieces at 6 inches by 9 3/4. So you need to cut two of those pieces out, and then you'll need your scoreboard. I'll just grab mine. And the first thing you want to do before we make any scoring is, if you are using double-sided paper, just decide what print you want as your cover, because that will also be the print that will be your side pocket here as well. So for your first page, just decide what you want as your front cover. So in my case, I'm going to use, I'm going to have this as my cover, which also means I'll have this as my left side pocket. So then you'll need to put that print down on the bottom of your scoreboard. And we're just going to score on the 9 3/4 inch side. We're going to score it at 1 3/4 and 5 3/4. I will put all the measurements down below in case you've missed the measurements as well. So that page is done for your first page. And then for your second page, this is the part where you can add more and more pages. You'll always use this measurement as your extra pages if you wanted to add more pages. But so we're going to go on to the next page here. So you want to decide what pattern you want on your right pocket, and that will also be the pattern that's going to be showing on your two plain pages there. So I'm going to have this as my double page and also as my pocket, which means I'm going to have the other pattern facing down. So that means you'll have your pattern facing up for your pocket on the right side. So you're going to line that on your 9 3/4 inch side again, and we're going to score that at 1 3/4 and 5 3/4. So that's all there is to it with the scoring. I'm just going to fold the score line. So we'll start with the first page first. So you just fold that over like that, and that will create your left pocket. And we're just going to add some glue just to the bottom edge and to the top edge, just up to that score line, and that will create your pocket on the left side. So we'll just apply a bit of glue up to that score line, and then we'll just bring it over and seal that up. So this page is done. So now what we're going to do here, we're going to grab your other piece and we're going to flip your page over so that the narrow part that we scored will be on your right side. We are going to bring this page and we're going to overlap this edge over to that score line just here. So we're just going to bring that over here just like that, and we just want the edge of this paper just on the left side of that score line. So not directly on the score line, just slightly onto the left side. So what we're going to do then is we're going to, or we can actually move that out a bit. We can just get the glue first. We'll just apply some glue like we did to the other pocket, and we're just going to apply a little bit up to that score line. Just like that. And then we will now overlap this edge onto that score line just on the left side, and then we're going to bring that part that we've added some glue over and seal that. So that will create your left side pocket, which is the same as what we've got here. So once you've got that, you're going to have your page, when you open it up, it's sort of going to look like that. So we are going to bring this page over, just bring it right over to the back, and we are going to apply glue just on the inside of that score line and down the bottom. That will create that middle pocket, and you'll see it once it comes together. So let's go apply some glue just to the inside of that score line, just to the top. And then we're going to apply some to the bottom. That will seal the bottom of the pocket. And then we are just going to bring this page over and just sandwich that together. And that will then seal that part, as you can see. And then this one here, we'll just bring that back, and this one goes forward. And that should create your pocket in there, and that is how you make your booklet. I hope that was not confusing for you, and I'll just show you again. I'll grab this so you can see where we're at. So when you open that up, you will get your side pocket just like that, and then your left side or your right side pocket, and then on the top here you should have your pocket up the top. I hope I'm in frame. So that's your top pocket, and then you just flip that over, and that's your two blank pages. So if you wanted to add more pages, you can do so with the with this side of the paper that we've done. So you just continue adding another layer of this side to the back here, and that will create another pocket here, and then you'll also create another pocket on the top here if you wanted to do that, but I just kept mine simply with just two pieces of paper. So that is how to make this fun flip book if you wanted to give this a go. I hope it wasn't too confusing, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.